Hello everyone, let's go over in this video what you actually need on your wedding florals website. And a lot of florists, they mix in retail flower shop website with your wedding floral website. It is completely different businesses, completely different structures. So my suggestion to you, if you have your flower shop website, you build a separate website for your weddings. This way it will be more organized and you feel like you are on track of things. If you are just a wedding florist, this video is for you because this is exactly what you need to have on your website for functionality, for simplicity, and actually capture every lead that comes to you. So I go over different platforms today. So for example, you can build your wedding floral website on Squarespace, on Wix platform, but those platforms, they are made for different businesses, so they're not meant to be for your wedding floral needs. It's for everyone, so they're more broad and more difficult to set up. I would say it takes a little bit more time to set it up, and in general the solution I found is building a website like this, so it has a nice simple to use. So basically when a client comes to your website, they need to see your portfolio and request a quote, right? They want to read a little bit about your process, a little bit about the story, how you created your beautiful business, and the services, what you do, actually, what is your range of services. Then they can read your reviews here, they can follow you on Instagram and different social media, and of course request a quote. So I suggest you build a website here. It's so simple to use. So basically you have your brand settings. You can put your branded name, you can put your description, logo, and everything from here. So it's already built for you. So you don't have to even have a structure. You don't have to hire a developer who will develop your website on Squarespace or on Wix. It's all made for you to use. So it's so simple. I set it up for a few hours and it's ready to go live. Also, I have different websites as well. So I built this one as well just for you to see. So, similar scenario, I put more steps into this website. So it's a lot of flexibility in design. For example, you can change your background image. You can customize your hero section. For example, if you don't want to show headline or sub headline, you can just delete it, and for example, you don't see anything here, you just see the nice brand name on top. And sometimes people like to use something more brandable as a background image. You can always select no buttons as well. So if you would like to check out this option as well, you can do that. For me, I like to use a headline and sub-headline text, so I'll leave it here. So basically, you have a few options for your inquiry forms, and this is something that brides, someone who is shopping for wedding flowers, they love this feature. So you have a classic inquiry form on your website. It's designed for wedding florists. It's designed to make your florals stand out here, and I'll show you how it works. So basically, you have let me just copy and paste. So I'll be here on this page. And I go here. I put my website on incognito mode so I can show you how it works. So basically, Your client lands on your website, they request a quote from here, and what happens? They see a classic form, right? First, you can just input client's name like Kathy, her email address like Kathy@gmail.com, phone number. I just making it up for you to see. Then event date. Let's go maybe this event date, budget range, guest count, and I love more soft pinks colors. And then they connect in the Pinterest board. So it's so easy to use and connect the Pinterest board because brides, most likely they will put all of the inspirational pictures on a Pinterest board, and it's super convenient. They share with you a Pinterest board, but I'll show you how it works in a second once the Pinterest board is connected. So your client connects the Pinterest board, gives access to it, and then you go to your form with connected Pinterest boards. Then your client selects board they want to use, and all of the images from the board will be sent to as an inquiry. Of course, they can include a link in your message, but this is something I'll show you right now what's happening. So when they send in your inquiry, you will receive an email with this inquiry, as well as it will create automatically event in your event section. So the website is connected to your CRM system. This is something that I really love, because you can see here the client created inquiry. So we can just click on this inquiry here and see what happens. So basically, you will see her email, her information here, wedding type, budget. Look, if she included location, it will be here. Right now, it's not included, so it's just TBD location, number of guests, and general details about her wedding, as well as when you go to event design, all of the inspirational pictures already fetched here. All you need to do, select colors, select maybe a few items that she wants to have at her wedding, like personal flowers. Let's select a few bridal bouquets, and let's select like bridesmaids bouquet, for example, and then maybe some flower arch. So your website capturing a lead, it creates event for you when the client sends you an inquiry form. Event is already created, and you just need a few more updates and send her a beautiful beautiful proposal. I will choose this one. This one is nice. So upload a nice background image. You can see her name is Kathy. She did not include her groom name, so we can check with her later. A little note for her. Her mood and vision board is already fetched from the Pinterest. Flower selection is something taken from the recipes that you inputted, and all the information about her wedding is already here. How cool is this, right?